CA, Inc., Nasdaq. CA, in the fourth quarter of FY17 has reported the adjusted earnings per share of 54 cents, beating the analysts' estimates for the adjusted earnings per share of 50 cents. The Co. MPANY had reported the adjusted revenue of $1.01 billion in the fourth quarter of FY17, beating the analysts' estimates for revenue of $997.4 million. The total revenue grew due to an increase in software fees and other revenue, partially offset by decreases in subscription and maintenance revenue and professional services revenue. As a result, the stock rallied over 6.1% in the pre-market session on May 12, 2017, as a 7:17 a.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time. Source: Google Finance. Additionally, in the fourth quarter, the total bookings grew primarily due to an increase in renewals and an increase in new product sales. CA has executed a total of 26 license agreements with incremental contract values in excess of $10 million each, for an aggregate contract value of $754 million. During the fourth quarter of fiscal 2016, CA has executed a total of 13 license agreements with incremental contract values in excess of $10 million each, for an aggregate contract value of $271 million. CA has cash and cash equivalents at March 31, 2017 were $2.771 billion. Approximately 60% of the CA's cash and cash equivalents were held by foreign subsidiaries outside the United States at March 31, 2017. Further, in March 2017, CA has issued $500 million of 3.600% senior notes due August 2022 for proceeds of approximately $500 million and $350 million of 4.700% senior notes due March 2027 for proceeds of $35.0 million. CA has $2.791 billion in total debt outstanding and $137 million in notional pooling. The company's net debt position was $157 million. Moreover, for FY17, CA has repurchased 3.1 million shares of stock for $100 million. As of March 31, 2017, CA was authorized to purchase $650 million of its common stock under its current stock repurchase program. During the fourth quarter of fiscal 2017, CA had distributed $107 million in dividends to shareholders. The company's outstanding share count at March 31, 2017 was 413 million. CA expects the full-year earnings per share to be in the range of $2.35 to $2.40, and the revenue is expected to be in the range of $4.12 billion to $4.17 billion. CA stock has risen 7.84% in a year. Source: Google Finance. According to tipranks.co. 4 analysts has covered the stock while recommend a moderate buy. CA has an average price target of $35, which is a further upside of 9.24%.